Hi, Stephanie. One other thing I wanted to point out really quickly is how to find some books. And one way to kind of do a quick survey on some books that might be available on your topic is to go to a resource called Google Books. And if you just go to Google and type in Google Books, you'll see that it comes up usually as the first one right here. You'll see that the front search page says Google with the little books underneath it. You can put your topic, urban environmental sustainability, in. Click on the button for search. This is going to be your results page. You'll see that Google, what they've done is set up camp in about 10 universities in the US, and they've been scanning large previews and putting them online for probably about 17 or 18 years. It's not something that everybody knows about, but we were brought in at the very beginning. We kind of heard about it, and we love this because it searches all the text in all the books. Now, you don't always have access to all the pages, but these are very large previews in books sometimes. So when you get your results page, you'll see the title, sometimes a picture of the cover, and it'll say the word preview. Not all of them will have preview, and the years will be a variety of years. They could be really old, they could be really recent, but you can use the tools at the top. And you can say, I want a custom range of books from the past 5 years. You can type that in there, your date range, click go, and then it's going to bring some to the front. You'll see that your date range is listed right here. Now, these are not all the books that exist all in the world. Some publishers don't like Google Books. Some authors don't like it, so not all books have been scanned. But it's nice to see what is available. You'll see if they have no preview, you can always click on it and kind of look at the book and see what they've provided. If it does have preview, here's one that's an Urban Environmental Education Review. You can either click on the title or on the word preview, and then you can look inside the book just by scrolling down. You'll see on this one, you can see that it looks like there are hyperlinks to the first 4 articles, and then the rest don't have hyperlinks. Now, we as your library can get any book that you want from anywhere in the world. So if you want this book, we can absolutely order it for you from another institution, either a college or a library out there. These will probably be in universities, but you'll see that you can kind of look in here. At the top, you can search inside the book, search the word urban. It'll find it on pages, and it might say, oh, there's no preview available for that page. And that's when you're like, oh, if that's what you really want to read, we can request that book for you. You can look up all different words. So just like that. Or you can just go to the table of contents and see what you might have access to just from there. Sometimes these don't always lead you where you need. So here, right, I cleared the search and then it's going to show me that book. Now also Google Books does write your citation for you. So if I click the X on this top right, not the very most top right, but the one on this reader, I get to this little overview of this particular book. I can see the citation information here, but I can also click on Create Citation and copy and paste the version that I need. Sometimes they'll also suggest other books that are similar. So this one is just suggesting its own book, but sometimes they'll do that. They also have these word clouds sometimes that you can click on. Oh, and here's a little similar book right down here at the bottom. So just know that that exists. You can always take these titles and search them in our book catalog found on the SWIC webpage. So know that you can always go there and see if we have the book in stock. You can always order books through there yourself if you're interested, but know that we're happy to if you give us a list, we're happy to place those requests for you. So that's just a little bit about books, and I just wanted to make you aware that it's a cool service and books can still be awesome too. All right, take care. Bye-bye.